Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and welcome to day 15 of our 30 days of yoga challenge for 2021. So today is Free Flow Friday. So we don't have a particular focus today, we're just going to flow a little bit. And you won't need anything but your mat today. So you can grab that and we'll go ahead and get started. So we are going to start on our bellies. Just going to come down and we're going to start in Sphinx Pose. So you want to bring your forearms down to the mat. You can have your palms facing down. And just think about having the elbows under the shoulders. You can bring them forward a little bit. This is just a mini back bend. And then bring your gaze forward. Keeping the shoulders down away from the ears. Tops of the feet are down. And we're just going to start here with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then we're gonna come over to our side. So I'm gonna be lying on my left side. It may be your right if you wanna face the screen that you're watching this on. And then I'm gonna put my left forearm down, lifting my shoulders. So kind of like you're lying on your side on your bed. And then we're gonna start by lifting that right leg up. And then coming down. Let that foot hover, and then bring that foot forward. Coming back. And then we're taking that foot back as you point the toes. Coming back to the side, and then we're coming back onto the belly. We're coming into Cobra. So bringing the hands down beside the chest. Inhale as you lift the chest, and you can come up as far as you like for your Cobra. Exhale when you get there, hold. Tuck the toes under, lift the hips up and back, come into downward facing dog. Hold here for 3 deep breaths, inhale. Exhale. As you breathe, pressing down through the palms of the hands and the fingertips, reaching the heels down towards the mat, keeping the hips up. And then leaving the left foot down, reach the right leg up. And then we're gonna bring the right knee in and shift forward like you come into a plank. Hold. And then reach that leg back out. Inhale. Bring the knee in, shift forward. And then we're stepping forward this time. Plant that front foot down and then plant the back foot. Reach the arms up. Keep a bend in the front knee. We're coming into Warrior One pose. And then inhale. On the exhale, reach the arms back, coming into a little bit of a back bend. Inhale as we stand, or reach the arms up. On the exhale, we're coming forward, keeping the arms up, keeping the arms in line with the spine. Add a diagonal. And then bringing the hands down, we're going to step that right foot back up. Or lift that foot up. And then we're going to come into a standing split. So start to slowly walk the hands back. As you keep that right leg up. You can always keep a bend in the left knee. Breathe. And then we're going to start to slowly walk the hands back. This time we're coming to a plank. And then back down to the mat. Take a breath here. And then bring the forearms back down. Coming back to our Sphinx pose. In our 3 breaths, tops of the feet are down. Let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. And then we're coming to the other side. So this time, we're lying on, or I'm lying on my right side. Right forearm is down. Lifting through the shoulder. And then we're going to start with the left leg this time. So reaching the leg up. And then coming down. Reaching the leg in front of you, forward. Flexing the foot. Coming back. And then start to reach the foot back as you point the toes. And back to center. Coming back onto our bellies. Hands to the sides of your chest. And then we're coming back to cobra. So inhale. As you lift the chest. Exhale when you get there. Hold it. Tuck the toes under. And we're coming back to downward facing dog. And then we're lifting the left foot up this time. Bring the knee in, hold. Reaching the leg back out, the left leg. This time we're coming in and stepping forward. Plant the front knee, the front foot down, and then plant the back foot. Reaching the arms up, keeping a bend in the front knee. Coming back to our warrior one. And then inhale here. On the exhale, reach the arms back for our back bend. Inhale as you reach the arms straight up. On the exhale, we're coming forward at our diagonal. And then bringing the hands down, we're lifting the back heel and then lifting the left leg up. Back to our 3-leg dog. And then slowly starting to come back to our standing split. Walking the hands back, keeping the left leg lifted. Breathe here. And then starting to walk the hands forward. Coming back to our plank. And then down to the mat. Hands beside your chest. 3 rounds of cobra. Lift the shoulders up and back. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Sliding our hands forward as we bring the forearms down. Coming back to our Sphinx pose, where we started. Palms face down. Gazes forward. And we're going to end with our 3 deep breaths here. So let's inhale through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Last time, inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today for Free Flow Friday. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the standing split. And I hope to see you all tomorrow for day number 16 of our 30 days of yoga journey.